So I get home early from work and I fix the cabinet that I had there. I fixed the bird cage, and then I'm like, what else can I do? So I decided, to remove the tattoo and make a video. I stuck my phone on the mirror with some tape. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, that's not my mirror. There's this little hand one. It's not mine. Is pretty clean, but you can't tell. But anyway. So I'm using this soldering tool. It's extremely hot. I'm gonna show you how hot it is. Taking a few drops of water. You can kind of hear it. See it bubbling? Okay. So I decided to move this tattoo. Going on my lip. Excuse me. It's my ex, and she abandoned me 6-7 years ago, whatever. With my daughter, I've been raising her ever since. So she's in the after school program. There's no children here, and here we go. Mm. 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 It smells like chicken. Mm. 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 It tastes like pork rinds. I'm spitting out like some black stuff. I don't know if it's burnt or some of this soldering shit is there. It's getting lighter. So I'm burning it. Shit hurts. Well, obviously gonna hurt you burning your fucking lip with a metal object. The last one hurt though. Okay, so that's first session. See if it disappears, let it heal up, and we'll go from there.